Welcome to our tutorial on how to import a seed from one wallet to another. This process is a simple way to transfer your funds between wallets. To begin, you will need the seed phrase and the passphrase of the wallet you wish to import. The seed phrase is a 15-word phrase that you would have exported from a previous wallet. If you have a legacy device, then this is a long strain of letters and numbers. Your passphrase is a password you would have set for this wallet. PKT Pal would not have a copy of this passphrase. Please note that the device you are using must be paired with your PKT Pal product. If it is not paired, please watch our device pairing tutorial. First, click on the Wallet tab, then click Import on the right-hand seed sidebar. Then enter the seed phrase and passphrase from your old wallet. Legacy devices can leave the passphrase blank. Accept the condition at the bottom and click Import. This will start the importing process. The system will then search for the correct wallet addresses associated with the seed phrase. Once it has found the correct addresses, you can start the transfer process. Click Import Seed. Please bear in mind that it is likely you will only have one address associated, and it is possible to have hundreds. It's also very important to ensure the PKT Pal product is always powered on during this process. If it gets turned off or reboots, you'll have to begin this process over again. Please note that the syncing process can take a few days to complete. A syncing section will be visible during this time so that customers can see that the process is in progress. Once it's finished, the transaction will be visible in the transaction history as a received type, and the amount will be reflected in the customer's balance. The same information can be found on the Block Explorer. And now you've successfully imported the seed of your wallet. As always, remember to store your seed and passphrase in a secure place, like a safe. If someone gets a hold of your seed, they'll be able to steal all your coins. Also, if you lose your seed and passphrase and something happens to your PKT Pal product, your coins will be lost forever. PKT Pal does not have a way to recover your coins if you don't have records of your seed or your passphrase, so it is your responsibility to keep it safe. We can't stress the importance of this enough. Thank you for following this tutorial. Follow and subscribe to stay up to date. Make sure to connect with us on all our social channels, and we'll see you on the next video. If you have any questions, please contact Routie at PKTPal.com.